So this is normally in Philippines, in Pangasinan or some maybe other locations also they are using this kind of plowing in the field. So there is a generator, and generator is pushing that the front wheels, which is specially designed that it will not struck and it will roll properly into the muddy water. And then there is the plower, which is pulling the mud and making the land soft in order to prepare the preparation of planting the rice plant. And you can see that in the deep that the nursery is ready. So this gentleman, Mr. John, they are he's plowing in the deep field. So in other, this is the best consumption cost as compared to the big tractor or other relevant machines. So actually this is our own generator and machine which he is using right now, and this is less maintaining in cost, just only as generator maintenance and gasoline, that's it. I had seen over here in Philippines only. So hope you guys like this my video. So please stay blessed and healthy. Assalamu alaikum.